Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to put watermark in Excel. I've created the sample format and it is extended in 2 pages. Let's put watermark to it. First click Insert, then Text, then Header and Footer. We get this view. We need to put watermark in this header box, but we can't type text here. Instead we need to insert a picture as a watermark. Click Picture. I've created 2 watermark pictures, or if we have any logo picture we can put that as a watermark. Let me select this draft watermark picture. This is inserted in this header box here. Now click anywhere outside and we can see the picture watermark appears. Now let's go back to the header and footer option and we'll try to change some properties of this watermark. Select this picture, click format picture. Let me change color as washout. Click OK and you can see the changes done to the watermark. Now click on font picture again and let's change the width of the watermark. After changing the width, click on OK and you can see changes done to the watermark. Now click on format picture and we'll change some other properties. After changing it, click OK and you can see the changes reflected on your watermark. Now let us see it in print preview. Click print preview and you can see that the watermark is applied on both the pages. Now let's go back to the normal view. Here we can't see the watermark, but there is watermark present here. To confirm, we can check it in print preview. Click print preview and you can see that the watermark is still there. Now let's remove the watermark. Go back to header and footer option and select the picture text and delete it, and the watermark will be removed. Go to the print preview and we can see the watermark is completely been removed now. In this way we can put watermark in Excel sheet. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.